All right, so in our last class, we are talking about building out design, a hotel website design. Where would that be? This design. All right, so we are working on this design, and I remember I completed this too. And I gave an assignment. Let me confirm. I just want to confirm the assignment. So this is the assignment. Nobody has submitted yet. The same thing for week 4. Nobody has submitted yet. Here's my network. So why am I not? Okay. Nobody has submitted the assignment. I think that's why. So the assignment says, using Figma design link provided, build the facility page of the luxury hotel website. This one. This is the facility page. Let me export that and share with you. Trying to export. So my question would be, how many persons have attempted building this page, and what is the challenge you have? Because at this point, there is absolutely no need rushing the course without you building something that I can see. If you need me to give you time, I'll give you time. You build it. If you have any question, you ask your question. I'll show you and clarify. If there is a challenge, I'll help you so that you can actually build this thing. So has anybody attempted this design, the facilities page? No, not mine. I didn't build the facility page. You should be building this one. On this design, because I share the design, this is the design. It won't look like mine. I built this one. I worked on this side, and I want to. Okay, the week 4 assignment is fine. I don't want to jump pack a lot of stuff. For week 4 assignment, nobody has submitted. Week 3 assignment, nobody has submitted. So I want to know what the challenge is, give you time if you want, and so that we can go over it. Because there is really no point continuing this thing when you don't understand or know how to do it. There is a second video, of course. Saturday and Sunday videos will actually teach you how I did mine, this one. So that you can unmute guys, you can unmute and talk so that I know who I'm talking with. So I want you to attempt this and submit it so that based on what I see you submit, I can then take it off from there, because this is not going to be the only design you will build. There are other designs that you will also build. Jesse, are you here?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm here.
Okay. I want you guys to attempt this. Is it something you can do?
You mean like the entire design? Is there a specific page of the design we have to work on?
Yes, this page that I'm sharing with you is called the facilities page. Let me drop the screenshot for you. I'll drop the design on the group now. Okay. That's the image, and it is this part. Now, when you come to this design, it is the second design, this second one that has big pictures. This one is called the facilities page here. I want you to take today and build it, but I'll be on standby. Any challenge, any issues, you can ping me immediately, but I want you to do it first, because there are other designs we're supposed to build, but I don't want to go on building other designs when I'm not sure you can build one first.
Sorry, but the specific image of the gym and probably other sections, how do we like get it? Do we like screenshot it or place it to any other picture?
Like this image now, this gym, if I want it, I will click on it. I will keep clicking. See, I'm still clicking. So let me click aside. If I click once, it may select the image. Sometimes clicking once will not select it. You click 2 times, you click 3 times until it's selected. But when you come to preview, you scroll down this part, you scroll down, come down. If you don't see preview, click on export first. This export here, click on it, and you will see a click preview. Click preview. Now, it is selecting both this gym text. If you look at it, you see the gym text coming outside. So I don't want the gym text. I want just the image. So if I come down, I click on export, scroll down, click on preview. You see, I'm not seeing the image. So I need to open here. This is where you open or close the tabs. Here, you open or close the tab. So if you open it, you see that this rectangle is selected. Beneath it is the image. Most times, so when you select something and you cannot preview it, you can't see what is selected. Now, it's very important that you preview so that you know what you're exporting. So under it is the image. You click on the image, go back to export, click preview. Now you see the image. I can now download this image. So when I click on export, it will start exporting. Now it says exporting. When it's trying to export, it's going to throw a pop-up for me to save it. So you can either rename it or use it like that. So now it's asking me to save. So if I click on save as, I can save it to my folder and save. Now if I open my folder and open the image, I'm seeing the gym picture. So that's how to export images on Figma. Make sure, the first thing is to make sure that the image is selected. So if you click once, you go to export, you see it's coming with this text. Now, if you want the text to be there, fine. If you don't want it to be there, it's also fine. But clicking on this text, this is selected. I'll open the group and see the image. This is the image on it. This icon here is an image icon, so you know the image. If I come to export, I can preview the image and I see the image I want to export. So that's how you export images. Any question?
Okay. Yeah, another question, sir. But on the CareerEx platform, if I should view that with the week four, it's opening as an image instead of taking me. I guess you should take me to the Figma file, but just viewing as an image. Even if I download
This
it,
one,
it just download.
this one is an
Yes,
image,
this one.
not Figma. This is mock-up. This is not
Okay,
mock-up. This
okay.
is not Figma. So you may not be able to see this image. Use any image, any other house image you want. So
Okay,
this is
because I
not
was
Figma.
just like screenshotting it with my sniping tool
Okay, it's fine.
instead.
It's fine. If you screenshot it, it's fine too. Screenshot is fine.
Okay.
Yeah, any other question?
No.
Clemsy, do you have any question?
So it's claims that has been talking, sir.
Oh, sorry. Then where is Jesse? Jesse, are you here? Jesse, okay, I think the last time his mic, his earphone was having issues. All right, so I want you guys to do this on, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, just a minute, please. Let me leave. Okay, are you guys still here?
Yes, sir.
You're still here. So now my concern is that you start building, you start working. The classes to be an engineer, it's very easy with the words of mouth. It's also easy when you are determined to do it. But the best approach is to make sure that you are building something. When you start building, as you are building, it will get better, and you'll get better at it. So I don't want to teach anything today. I want you to build. I want to see how you're building. Because if I want to teach anything, I'll be moving on to a new concept and a new design, which is not good. So I have heard from Clemsy. Clemsy is designing. I want to hear from Jesse. Jesse, are you designing? Hello, Jesse. Yeah, I think he's here, but yeah, I want to ask if you are designing. Are you working? Are you designing? All right, guys. So I'll be here. I'm online from now till 9. Please do it. Try it. Tomorrow we'll also try it again. But I'll still be here tomorrow. We'll have a class. The thing is, if you finish it today, then we'll have a class tomorrow. But if also you don't want to do it, you want me to continue teaching, yeah, I will continue teaching. So, but I'll give you that break of today. You build it today. Then tomorrow, I will know whether we'll continue our classes or we'll continue building?
Sorry to interrupt, sir.
Yeah.
This last one is sent to the group. Is it the
Yeah.
same thing as the week 5, or is different from the week 5?
Yes. That's the week 5. That's the week 5.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So guys, I'll be here. Any challenges, drop it. Drop it on the chat, drop it on the call. I'll leave it to you when we'll address any issues. But for now, I'll just say bye for now. And like I said, build it. If you also don't want to build it, tomorrow you let me know. Then we'll continue our classes. But I will encourage you to build. Experience the challenges. Don't be scared. Yeah, you were asking. You can unmute and ask the question. We're not having. You can unmute. All right, Clemsy. We're done. For the week 4 assignment, use any picture you want. But for this one I shared, which is the week 5 assignment, export the images from Figma. Export the images from Figma. But for the week 4 assignment, use any image you want. Also, if you're having any challenges, you can always go back to recorded videos and see how I did whatever I did. I have recorded videos, and also I share the codes with you. You can always go there and check it out, but you can also drop your message on the platform here. I'll be here looking at it. I'm attending to it like that. All right. Bye.